hello, grade 4. Today we're gonna talk about the first lesson in science. The first lesson, first chapter, it's talk about find living organisms. In any environment, in any street, or in your room, there is two things: living organisms and non-living organisms. Living organisms such as humans like me, you, your teacher, your parent; animals like your pets, like a dog, cat, frog, bird, or plants like cucumber, tomato, or any plants; and non-living things like air, water, rocks. And there is some things that living organisms do, like feeding. Can you live without food, without eating food? No, we cannot live without food. Can you live without growing? Like, do you remember when you was like a baby, so small and thin, but year by year you grow up being tall like now? And third thing we do is breathing. Like, can you live without oxygen, without breathing? No. So the first so important things is feeding, growth, breathing. Yeah, so what is the living organisms? Everything that can feed, grow, breathe, such as humans, animals, and plants. Oh, and there is something called habitat. That's a place where the living organism live, like your home, like the place you live in, the place you uh, eat or drink or sleep. All living organisms cannot live in the same place because do you know why? Like the lizard. Can you imagine the lizard live in very cold environment? No, it lives in desert. So it's different from like the cat. The cat, can we find the cat in the desert? No. So it's differ. The habitat differ from one organism to the other. Like near the grass and trees, we can find sparrows and grasshoppers. But in the shade of rocks or under the ground, we can find what ants, like in the damp places, in the places that have little bit water, and in the cold places away from the sun. Living organisms, for example, they live in the shade of rocks and under the ground. Why? To avoid the very hot sun.